Namaste children. We are learning block 17, our green cover. We learned about the different types of forests, how forests help us, and what are the problems for the forests. Okay, what are the things that damage forests? In today's class, we are going to learn how we as the members of the society, how can we save the forest? Yes, you and me can save the forest. Not only the students or the teachers, every person in the society, whether it is scientist or a reporter, we all have a duty to protect the forest. What can we do? Lawyers can bring new laws to protect trees. Reporters can write about the trees and how forests are useful to us, how to protect the trees. Students can write letters and make posters, or students can go in person and talk to the people near the trees, how about the greatness of trees, how they are providing us so much. Reporters can write about the tree, go and talk to the people or the person who is living near the tree. They can write nice articles in the paper about the greatness of the trees, what they are providing, whether it is the shade, the shelter or the pure air, and the need to protect the trees is all the responsibility of all of us, right? Students can write letters, make posters and go in person and talk to the people about how to protect trees. Reporters can write about this in their newspapers about the greatness of a tree or how the tree is helping us, how the trees are good for the environment. They can write articles because newspapers reach a lot of people in the country. Every nook and corner is covered. Okay, it reaches every nook and corner of the country. People read newspaper, so definitely it will have an impact in protecting the trees. And we also have the lawyers. Lawyers can bring new laws to protect the trees. Like if anyone cuts down the trees, they can it can be considered as a crime and some action can be taken by the lawyers also. So this is all the responsibility of all our society here. See, save trees. They are the main source of life for us. They are the basic things for a happy life. Let it be the pure air, the fuel, the fodder for animals, the timber, the resins, the shelter for animals and all. So it is our duty to do that. So this is about S4. Let me read the worksheet in S4. Let us protect trees. First question, using what we did in class, write down one thing you can do to help and save trees. Because we are not in the class, you can make a poster about how the greatness of a trees or the uses of trees. You can draw a picture and you can make posters, stop cutting trees or something like that. So you can write the same thing in the first question. For the first question, we can make posters to save trees or we can talk to the people. That is the first one. Or you can just sing a song. Okay, you can just sing a song about the greatness of a tree, how helpful it is. Because people can understand songs very well. They are more interested in music. So okay, you can write a song about how trees are useful and you can sing it also. So that is the answer for first question if you understood. Second question, write how these people can work together to protect trees. School students and news reporters, how can they work together? Students can make posters, students can take banners or take rallies also. They can talk to people about protecting trees and the uses of trees. Reporters can take photos of these or they can write articles about saving trees. And the next one is lawyer and the person who lives under the tree. The lawyer can go to the person who lives under the tree or near the tree and talk to him that no one can cut down this tree. You can strongly protest if anyone comes to cut down the tree because it is not easy to grow such a big tree. Okay, it gives us shade, shelter, pure air. It stops soil erosion. So the lawyer can put light in the mind of the person who lives near the tree. He can support the person. Third question, apart from these, what are some other ways to help save trees? So these are some things which people are doing to save trees. Is there any of your idea? Do you have any idea to save trees? What is your idea that people can do? You can write down for the third question. Okay. So do it, students. That is S4. We have completed our block 17. That is our green cover. First block we learned types of forests. Second block we learned the uses of forests. Third block we learned how forests are disappearing or why forests are disappearing. In the fourth block we learned what we can do to protect the forests, or what every person in the society can do to protect forests. Do complete your worksheets S1 to S4 and also read the lesson twice or thrice and underline important points. That is very, very important. Reading skills are important. If you read the lesson only, then you can understand the lesson completely. Okay, that's all for today, students. So, do your work neatly. Thank you. Have a good day.